Good morning, everyone. In this PPT, we have to see the insertion of the red black tree. In previous PPT, we have to see the how to what is the red black tree, what are the properties of the red black tree within examples. To identify that this is the red black tree or not, we have to take in some examples. And next we see the home rotations operations. We have two types of rotations, left rotation and right rotation. We have to see the insertion operation. Before we have to insert binary search tree, how to inserting the a node in a binary search tree. We have to search the searching the tree. We have to taking the one tree. We have to taking the one node. We have to search the tree. We have to left side. We have to take into the root side. We have to take in the root. Here we have to compare the root node. Here root node we have to less than values. You have come to the left side of the root, and root node having a root node. We have to take into root node greater values. We have to take into the right side of the node. This is a binary search tree, same as the inserting of the red black tree, but we have to take into the coloring node. How to performing? We have to take in some steps. In a red black tree, every new node must be having inserting into the color red. The inserting operation in red black tree is similar to inserting operation binary search tree, but it is inserting into a color properly. We have to take into the maintaining the we have to inserting the red black tree. We have to take into the color property. After every inserting operation, we need to check all the operation properties of the red black tree. After we have to inserting the A node, we have to check in the red black tree properties. If all the properties are satisfied, then we have to go to the next operation. Otherwise, we have to perform the following operations. We have to make into the red black tree. If your properties are satisfied, all properties are satisfied. Then we have to go to the another operation. This means we have to take into the another node. We have to insert in that one. This is the red black tree insertion. We have to take in the recoloring, rotations, and we have to, otherwise we have to sometimes we have to properties are not satisfied, then we have to take into these steps: recoloring, rotation, and rotating by the recoloring. This are we have to take in these steps. We have to maintain in the red black tree. Insertion operation in red black tree is performing in the following steps. We have to 4 steps we have to follow into the inserting a node. Step 1: if a tree is empty, create a new node as a root node with a color black. We have to tree have a empty, then we have to taking the new node, that is a root node in a red black tree. That color is black because it is a root node in this is a root node in a red black, so this is a black color. If a tree is not empty, then we have to create a new node, leaf node with a color is a red. Then we have to maintaining the leaf node and its color is a red. If a parent of the new node is a color, then exit. We have to checking the parent. Its parent color is a black. We have to do that, exit that. Next we have to take, if a parent of the new node is a red, it means to the new node of the parent is a black. We have to exit that one. If a parent of the new node is a new node parent is a red, then we have to check the color of the parent sibling of the new node. We have to check the parent sibling of the new node. If a parent sibling is a black, then we have to do the rotation and recoloring the operations. If a color is a red, then we have to recoloring, and also we have to check the parent's new node is a not true node. Then we have to recoloring and rechecking. One by one step we have to take into the one example. We have to see that one. Here root node is a black. We have to take into the, we have to checking this one main steps. Red black tree having a 5 properties. What are they? We have to go into the example. First we have to see the recap the properties of the red black tree. The root node is a black, and a node to adjacent nodes have a red color. It means to parent and children is not maintaining the red color. Count of the number of blacks in each path is the same. We have to take into the each path, we have to maintain in the black color is the same. This is the red black properties. We have to take in the examples 8, 18, 5, 15, 17, 25, 40 and 18. We have to take into the sequence of number. We have to insert in the one by one node. We have to insert in the 8. Here 3 is a empty. Simply here a first value is a 8. So we have to 3 is a empty. Simply we have to take into the black color and it is a root node. Next element we have to inserting is 18. We have to checking the binary substitute. Here 18 is in greater than of the 8. So it's move the right side of the node. Right side of the node. So we have to inserting the taking to the leaf node and it's a right color and it is a right side of the 8. This is the inserting of the 80. There is no problem here. Here we have to inserting the 5. Here 3 is a not empty. So we have to inserting the 5. We have to checking the 5 is a less than of the 8. So it is a go to the left side and it is a connecting with a and it is a right color. It is a red color node. Next we have to inserting the 15. Here we have to go to the 15. If the 3 is a not empty, we have to inserting the new node with a color red. Here we have to 15. We have to check into the 15 is a greater than to 18. 8. We have to move the right side and here 18 is there. Here 18 is less than of the 15. So we have to move the left side of the 18. Here we have to check that one. Here 18 and 15. Here 18 is a red color and its children's is a must be black color. We have to do the here we have to do the new node to say parent color is a red. Here it is a 15 new node. Here we have to take in, we have to check the parent. Here parent is 18. It is a red color. Then we have to do the recoloring and it's here we have to check the new node is a 15 and its parent color is a red. Then we have to do that one. Then we have to do that one. Then we have to check the sibling. Here a sibling, here parent, we have to sibling is a null. Then we have to do that recoloring and rerotating. We have to recoloring means here 18 is a black. We have to turn to the and here is a siblings. Sorry, here a sibling is a 5. Here we have to sibling is a 5. Here sibling is color is a here sibling color is a red. Then we have to recolor. It means to recoloring 5 and 18 we have to recolor. After recoloring the option the tree is satisfy the red black tree properties. We have to recoloring this tree. Then so we have to satisfy the red black tree. We have to see the root is a black color. So it is 1 and it is a every path we have to maintaining the how many nodes in a black nodes. Here in this path we have to 8 and 5 path we have to take in 2 node black colors and 8 and 18 have a 2 nodes. This in this part we have to 2 black nodes. So this is a satisfy the red black tree properties. Next one we have to insert. After we have to inserting the 17. We have to inserting the 17. Here we have to inserting the 17. 15 left side we right side we have to right side we have to inserting the 17. After we have to inserting the 17 we have to check the parent new node of the parent. Here parent is a 15 and its color is a red. Then we have to check the sibling. Here sibling is a no there. Then we have to recoloring and rotating. We have to do the what is we have to do the rotation. We have to do the left rotation. It's left rotation. It means 17 is comes to the parent and 17 left side we have to 15. This is the left rotation. Next we have to do the right rotation. This means 17 is comes on the parent and it's 17 right side. This comes to 18 and 15. This is the rotations and recoloring. We have to do the recoloring. It means to 17 is here. There is a red color. We have to change that. We have to red. We have to 17 is a red color. We have to simply change the black color. And this is the inserting of the 17. We have to inserting the 25. Here we have to inserting the 25. Here 25 is a go to the here 18 8 is a more than to 25. Sorry, here 25 is a more than, so it's more the right side of the 8. Here 17 it is a 17 25 is a more, so it's more the right side. And 18 here 18 25 is a more compared to the 18. 25 is a more, so it is a go to the right side of the 18. After we have to checking that one. Here we have to check that one. If 25 parent, it's a no node parent is 18. Here 18 is a color is a red color, here to red color. Then we have to do that check and do here we have to check the parent sibling. Here parent sibling is a 15. Here 15 is a also red. Then we have to do the recolor. We have to do the recoloring. After recoloring, 15 and 18 is a tends to the black color. This is the inserting of the 25. After recoloring the operation, we have to check the red black tree properties. This is a red black tree is a satisfied. So we have to go to the inserting the 14. Here we have to inserting the 14. 40 we have to inserting the 40. We have to check that one. Here 40 is a more than the 18, so it comes to the left right side, and 70 here for 17 is there. Here 14 is a more than the 17, so it's a remove the right side, and 18 is there. Here 14 is a more than the 18, so it's move the right side. Here 25. Here 40 is more than the 25, so we have to move the right side and insert the 14 here. Here we have to checking that one. 25. Here we have to check that one. 14 its parent is a red color, and it's go to the sibling. Here sibling is a node, there is a null. Then we have to do the recoloring and rotation. First we have to do the rotations. It means to rotations. We have to do the rotation. First we have to do the rotation. Here 14 is comes to the parent. After we have to here we have to apply in the here we have to do the rotation, left rotation. Here left rotation means here we have to go to the 25 is comes to the left side of the 17. Left side we have to connect in the 25, and it is a 25 left side we have to add the 18, and right side we have to 14, and it's we have to recolor in the change. It means to 25 is a red, black color is changed, and 18 is comes to the red. This is the rotation and recoloring of the red black tree. This is the insertion of the 14. Next element we have to inserting the 18. Here we have to tree is a not empty. Here so we have to take in the new node in within a red color. We have to 18 is a right side of the 14. Here same as the first we have to inserting the binary search tree property. We have to go to the less than the root node. We have to go to the move the left side, and we have to greater than the root node. We have to move the right side. This is the red black tree. Here 18 you have to next element we have to inserting the 18. This is the we have to inserting the binary search. Same as the red black tree have to inserting that one, but we have to taking some coloring property. So we have to taking some steps. Here we have to inserting the 18. It is a 14 right side we have to connecting the 18. The no node parent sibling color is a red. Here we have to taking the parent and 18 parent color is 14. Here 14 is a color is a red. Then we have to check the its sibling of the parent sibling. Here color of the parent sibling. Here color of the parent sibling is 18. Here its color is a red. So its color is a red. Then we have to do the recolor. We have to do the recolor that one. 18 and 14 is a recolor. After we have to recoloring and rechecking. We have to do the recheck the once. We have to recheck that once here, and its parent is a we have to taking 14. Its parent is a 25, and it's go to the GAN parent. Here 18 parent is a 14, and 14 GAN parent is a 25. Here 25 is a here we have to do the recoloring and a rotation. This we have to do the recoloring here, which means we have to take into the rotation of the 14. It means to we have to take into the rotation. We have to do the rotation here. It means to 17, and we have to do the rotation here. It means to 17 is a comes on the root, and its right side we have connecting the 25, and the left side we have to connecting to the 8, and it's 8 and 8 right side we have to connecting the 15. This is a left rotation. We have to do the recoloring. We have to 17 is a red color. We have to 17 is recoloring is a black color, and we have to check the 8 color is a black. We have to recoloring operation here. 8 is a black color, red color. This is the insertioning of the 18. Next we have to do that one 10, 18, 17. We have to do the practice this example. Take the some values, sequence numbers 10, 18, 7, 15, 16, 13, 25, 14, 62 and 7. We have to take in these elements. We have to inserting the one by one in red black tree. This is the algorithm of the red black tree. We have to take into, we have to see, we have to inserting the one node. After that we have to go to the coloring node. Here we have to check that the first one parent of the, we have to take into the new node parent color is a red. This is the first step. Then red. Then we have to go to that. If a parent, new node of the parent equal to new node of the parent equal to left, it means to its sibling you have to take in. Its coloring is a red, same. Then we have to go to the y is equal to z parent, parent equal to right. Next we have to y color. We have to take into the y and its a sibling. It means color is a red and sibling is a red. Then we have to do what you have to do, recoloring and rechecking that one. These are the steps only 5 to and 6. And elsewise we have to black color. We have to simply get the recoloring and rotation. Some rotations are there. Now, recoloring means it's a jet parent color is a black and jet parent color is red. We have to recoloring. This is the rotation. This is the algorithm of the inserting of the red. We have to take into the one more example. Here we have to inserting. We have to take in this tree. In this tree we have to inserting the 65. Here 65 we have to go to here 47 is more than the, here 47 is less than of the 65. So we have to move the right side. Here 71 here is there. 71 is a greater than 65. Then we have to go to the left side of the 75. Here 75 we have to inserting the 65. Yeah, and it within a red color. And it's, we have to check the color, black color. Its parent is a black color. There is no problem here. Next we have to inserting the 85. Here 85 we have to go to the manaki 82 sorry amma, we have to inserting here 82. 82 insert, we have to inserting that one. Here 47 is less than to 82, so it's move the right side, and 71 is there. 82 is a greater, so compared to 71, so it is move the right side. Here 93 is there. Here 93 is a greater to 82, so it's move the right side of the 92 connecting to the 82 within a red color. Here we have to check that its parents. If the parent 93 is a red color, then we have to check the sibling. Here sibling is a 65. 65 is also a red color. Then we have to recoloring and rechecking that one. Here we have to do the recoloring. It means to 65 and 93 is a black color. We have to recolor. This is the 82 insetting, changing the node colors. Next we have to inserting the 87. Next we have to 87. 87 is a connecting to the 82 right side. We have to connecting to the 87. We have to come check the parent of the 87. Here 87 parent is a red color. So we have to do the, then we have to then check the color of the parent sibling. Here sibling is not there, so then we have to recoloring and do the rotations. We have to do the left rotations of the 87. So we have to 87 is a parent and it's a left side. We have to 82 is a coming. Next one we have to do the recoloring, the changing. We have to change the colors. Here 87 we have to do the rotations of the 87. We have to do the rotation. It means to 87 we have to come to the above 87 and 82 left side and 93, and we have to do the recoloring. Here This is the recoloring and we have to do the rotation. This is the inserting of the one element in a red black tree. Thank you everyone.